Hello, welcome in another important video. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video onwards, we will actually start implementing our Docker Swarm. All right, so let's get started. So as you can see, I'm again in labs.playwithdocker.com. You just have to go here. You have to start new session. We've already seen, we have already got introduced to this platform. Okay, so here I'm gonna go ahead and create new instance. And as you can see, now I have one node here. Okay, so in order to start our Docker Swarm, we have one command. That command is docker init. But before I run it, I would like to list all the available nodes in the network. Okay, so if you remember our Docker basics, what we are trying to do with Docker Swarm is we are trying to connect multiple nodes together and we want to create its cluster. Okay, so first of all, let's try to list all the available connected nodes. Okay, so for that we have one command, docker node ls. This command will list all the available network, all the available nodes in the network. Okay, if I run this command, you will see I got one error. Let me zoom it. So here I got error. Now this happened because currently our Docker Swarm is not initialized. Okay, so here you can see in the description they have mentioned you have to initialize your Docker Swarm first before you run this command or before you start checking connected nodes. Okay, so in a so okay so in a swarm there are two types of Docker nodes. One is your worker node and another one is your master node. Master will help to manage your worker nodes. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to initialize Docker Swarm here so that my current node will become master node. Okay, so let's try to do that. We have one Docker Swarm init command, and then I'll have to mention advertisement address. Okay, if I put directly --help, I will get some suggestions. So what I want is I want this parameter. Okay, so use Docker Swarm init, then advertise address, and as a value I need to mention this particular IP address. So it's 192.168.0.13, like this. Okay, so let's try to understand what this command will do. So as soon as I hit this command, this advertisement address will become an address through which we can advertise our master node. So this address we can offer our worker nodes or any other nodes who wants to join our Docker Swarm. Okay, so this is really important. And if I click on enter, so as you can see, now our swarm is initialized. Using this Docker Swarm join command, another node can join our Docker Swarm. Okay, we will use this command in our upcoming videos. But now if I use docker node ls command, here you will see one item is listed. So this means our Docker Swarm is initiated. All right, so in our upcoming videos we will see how to join our created Docker Swarm. Right, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.